What's up, y'all? We're back again in Here to Win, and today I'm showing you two cases I bought for the S25 Ultra. First, I started off with this case. It's an off-brand name. It's called Owkey, Owkey. Got this on Amazon, and I got this because it was the first case I needed before the phone arrived. Has a nice kind of smoky, clear look to it. Maybe you can call it frost. Has the MagSafe right here. Nice cutouts. Nice grip. Yeah, so this is a nice basic looking case that I bought first. Let me show you what it looks like with the phone inside. I have the kind of, what do you call it? White or silver? I don't know. Kind of frost white S25 Ultra. So let me put it in here and show you what it looks like. So there's nothing wrong with this case. Looks really good. Here you go. Pretty basic. All right. So that's that case. But then I wanted something with a little more style to it. So I upgraded to the Spigen, what is it called? Ultra Hybrid. Yeah, so this comes in 4 colors. It comes in the black one like this one. Then it has like a clear one with a bunch of designs on it. What else does it have? I'll put these on the screen. And there's 2 other ones. So as you can see, I put those on the screen. So let's open this up. Okay, got it right here. That's the box. Open it up. Okay, here it is. This looks really nice. All right, so let's take the plastic off. Got our plastic on the inside. Okay, plastic on the outside. All right. So this case has a lot of texture inside and out. This has the MagSafe. I keep saying MagSafe. I guess that's what you call it. It has the magnet. Let's just call it a magnet. But you can feel the texture in here. Hear that? And you can feel all the details inside. Really well done. Flip it on the back. All these details, you can feel it. Kind of raised up a little bit. Not too much, but just right enough so you can feel the detail. All right. And also I was thinking, I was like, how do you stop the design on the back from getting scratched? Well, they put these raised up corners on each side of the phone case. 1, 2, 3, 4. So when this is flat against a table or something, it's not going to mess up the design because it's raised up a little bit. Maybe you can see it. It's right here. So that's really good design choice. So let's put the phone in, show you what it looks like. Let me take this one off first. All right. Put this one in. Goes in really good, no problem. So here it is. Okay. Here's the side. Here's the back. And this is good for you to see how, if you have a white phone, how it peeks through cutouts. It doesn't look that bad. There's other white features on this case. But like I said, there's a white version of this with mostly the same details. It'll probably look really fire with the white phone if you have that. Smooth on this side. The cutouts are really good. S Pen, speaker, USB-C, and the buttons feel good. Clicky. They don't feel cheap or anything. So yeah, this case is really well done. Nice grip. Yep. So I'll put the links in the description. You can check it out if you want to grab one. All right. Thanks for watching.